everyone, and welcome back to another episode. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you, Emma. And you? You look very happy today.
Yes, I am. I am very happy because I'm excited for today's topic.
Ooh, yes. Today's topic is super useful.
It is. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button. And don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Exactly. It helps us so much.
All right, Emma. What are we talking about today?
Today, our topic is how to be more disciplined in life.
Oh, wow. That is a big topic.
Yes, it is. But don't worry, we will talk about it in a very simple and friendly way.
Good, because when I hear the word discipline, I get a little nervous.
Me too. It sounds serious, right?
Yes, it sounds like a strict teacher from school.
Exactly. But discipline doesn't have to be scary. It just means doing what you need to do even when you don't feel like it.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Let's start simple. What does discipline mean?
Discipline means having control over your actions,
Yes, it means you make good choices again and again,
even when you feel lazy.
especially when you feel lazy.
So if I want to wake up early, but my bed is warm and comfortable.
Discipline helps you get up anyway.
Oh no, this topic is attacking me already.
Don't worry, Paul. We're all learning together.
So Emma, why is discipline important in life?
Because discipline helps you reach your goals.
Goals are things you want to do in the future, right?
Yes, like learning English, getting healthy, saving money, or learning a new skill.
All those things need time and effort.
Exactly. And discipline helps you keep going, even on hard days.
So discipline is like a friend that pushes you a little.
Yes, a kind friend who says, "Come on, you can do it."
When people hear discipline, they think about big things.
Yes, like waking up at 5 a.m. every day or working 10 hours.
But discipline can start with small things.
Very small things, like making your bed in the morning.
Oh, I don't always do that.
That's okay. It's a small habit that makes you feel organized.
Another small thing is drinking water instead of soda.
Yes, or going to bed on time.
Small actions every day build strong discipline.
Exactly. Little steps, not giant jumps.
Emma, can I be honest?
Of course.
I am not a very disciplined person.
That's okay. Many people feel that way.
Sometimes I make big plans. I say, tomorrow I will wake up early, exercise, eat healthy.
And then?
Then my alarm rings and I press snooze again and again.
The snooze button is very powerful.
Yes, it's my enemy.
I understand. I had the same problem before.
Really? You seem so organized.
I learned slowly. I didn't change everything in one day.
So how did you become more disciplined?
I started with just one small habit.
Only one?
Yes, I decided to go to bed at the same time every night.
That's simple but also hard.
It was hard at first. I wanted to watch videos late at night.
Same. Nighttime is fun time.
Exactly. But I told myself sleep is important.
So what happened?
After some weeks, waking up became easier. Then I had more energy.
And more energy helps you do other good things.
Yes, one good habit helped me build another.
That sounds like exercise.
It is similar. Discipline is like a muscle.
A muscle.
Yes, if you use a muscle, it gets stronger. If you don't use it, it gets weak.
So if I practice small discipline every day, I get better at it.
Exactly. You train your mind.
Wow, I like that idea. My brain needs a gym.
Yes, a brain gym.
Sometimes I fail because things feel too hard.
That's normal. So make things easier.
How?
If you want to exercise in the morning, put your shoes near your bed.
Oh, so when I wake up, I see the shoes.
Yes, and it reminds you, Also, it removes one excuse.
That's smart.
If you want to study English, keep your book on your desk, not in a drawer.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Exactly. Make good habits easy and bad habits harder.
Distractions are a big problem for me.
Phones are a big distraction for many people.
Yes, I open my phone to check one message, then 30 minutes are gone.
Same. One trick is to put your phone in another room when you need to focus.
That sounds scary but helpful.
Or you can turn off notifications.
That would make my life quieter.
A quiet mind helps you stay disciplined.
Sometimes I say, I'm not motivated today.
Yes, we all say that.
I wait to feel ready, but that feeling doesn't come.
That's the secret. Discipline is not about motivation.
What do you mean?
Motivation comes and goes. Discipline means you do it anyway.
Even when you don't feel excited?
Yes, you say, I don't feel like it, but I will do a little.
Just a little is better than nothing?
Exactly. 5 minutes of study is better than 0.
What happens if we fail?
That's very important. You must be kind to yourself.
So don't say, I'm lazy, I'm bad.
No. Say, okay, today was hard. Tomorrow I try again.
That feels much better.
Discipline grows with patience, not with anger.
Wow, that's a beautiful sentence.
Thank you.
Do you have a story about discipline?
Yes, I wanted to become a morning person.
That is my dream and my nightmare.
At first, I failed many times. I woke up early for 2 days, then stopped.
That sounds like me.
But I didn't quit. I started again. Slowly, my body got used to it.
How do you feel now?
Now, I enjoy quiet mornings. I drink coffee and read. It's peaceful.
That sounds really nice. Maybe mornings are not so bad.
See? Discipline can create beautiful moments.
Discipline is also important for health, right?
Yes, like eating vegetables, drinking water, and moving your body.
I like snacks too much.
Me too. I just try to balance. Not perfect, just better.
So discipline is not about being perfect.
No, it's about trying again and again. Let's share some easy sentences.
Good idea.
I want to be more disciplined.
I am trying to build good habits.
I will start with small steps.
I didn't do well today, but I will try again tomorrow.
These are great for talking about self-improvement.
I think many people want fast results,
Yes, but real change takes time.
like learning English.
Exactly. You don't become fluent in 1 week.
But if you study a little every day, you improve.
That is discipline in action.
So today we learned discipline is not scary.
It's just small, good choices every day.
Start small, be patient, don't give up.
And be kind to yourself when you make mistakes.
Discipline is like a journey, not a race.
Yes, one step at a time.
Thank you for talking about this with me, Emma. I feel motivated now.
Me too. Let's both try to be a little more disciplined this week.
Deal.
And to everyone watching, think about one small habit you can start today.
Just one. Keep it simple.
You can do it. We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.